Tight security was visible at Buganda Road Court earlier this morning as Dr. Kizza Besigye and Lukwago were appearing before the judge on charges of inciting protests in 2023. The prosecution alleges that Dr. Besigye and Lukwago incited people to protest against the rising commodity prices, which they claim was illegal.
Admitted in evidence as a prosecution exhibit and marked as PX.
Detective Sergeant Stephen Oriema, the fifth witness presented by the prosecution, accused Dr. Besigye and Lukwago of leading a protest in Kampala's mini prize and Arua Park.
Yes. Who's signing? I myself signing in the report or to Hebwe? He did not.
Did your group sign it?
Yes.
So it was signed by the two of you?
Yes, Your Honor.
Why did you have a sign?
It is not him who made the report. He never played any responsibility in the making of the report. He was the investigating officer.
However, lawyers of the defense led by Erias Lukwago and Abobeka Sekanjako disputed many of the witnesses' statements.
So it's within your practice that you do not write statements at all?
My statement is a crime scene report, which I always make, accompanied by the photographs of what transpired at the crime scene.
And your role is not to make an observation whether there is anyone who has committed an offense or not. Yours is just to capture what is going on.
It is one of my responsibility.
No, I am asking, is it your role to assess whether one is committing a crime or not, or yours is just to capture pictures?
Not only, I have very many roles to play at the crime scene, not only capturing pictures.
What other roles do you play?
The other roles that I can play at the crime scene, it is examining the crime scene that indeed is that incident they're alleging that is transpiring, is it there or not? If it is there, capture the photographs showing that indeed there was an incident.
Sergeant Oriema denied knowledge of the exact location of Dr. Besigye and Lukwago's alleged crime. The prosecution led by Ivan Chaze and Alan Muchunguzi attempted to re-examine their witness to correct his statement. They later requested an adjournment to present their final witness.
And we believe that the defense team is aware of who will be coming. We shouldn't read for them because they are paid worship. But on that last day we shall be able to read our last witness.
The defense objected to the production of the sixth witness, citing the prosecution's failure to provide evidence. However, Judge Nancha allowed the prosecution to present the witness and adjourned the case until the 11th of February 2025. After the court session, defense lawyer Erias Lukwago expressed frustration, stating that The case was wasting Dr. Kizza Besigye's time due to the prosecution's lack of evidence.
That the offense was committed way back on the 14th of June 2022. We are in 2025. And you know, justice delayed is justice denied. They keep on dilly-dallying, they keep on procrastinating, bringing one witness, then they seek for an adjournment to continue persecuting Besigye, nothing else. Otherwise, this is a matter which ought to have been concluded way back in 2022. So there is no reason. This case had to cross over to 2023, it crossed over to 2024, now it's in 2025. I hope it will not go up to 2026, just to keep Dr. Besigye busy in the corridors of this court, and always to be in the dock, in easy dialect, to always have these issues that we have to cover, and all of us to keep us busy in all these hopeless cases.
Lukwago also criticized the lengthy delay in the case's proceedings.
But again, they had just to bring up something to keep the case running. Now, when we ask them as to when they are closing their case, they said, we still have another witness. And never mind that these are all police officers, all the witnesses they are brought, they are all from within their force. Nobody is outside the police force like a civilian, because at the alleged scene of crime, there were so many other people. They are businessmen, they are matatu operators, they are boda operators, they are even street vendors, and so nobody has been brought from amongst the members of the community. So if they are witnesses from within the police force, it would be fair. It would only be fair that they bring all of them at a go.
John William Uganda, Freddy Chris Chisawo for BTM News Today.